Welcome back, everybody. Crazy Pop here. Today we're going to be doing some cooking. We are going to be making some smoked hot wings and smoked barbecue wings. Now we have here about 12 pounds of wing pieces. You see we got the wing, part of the wing, we got the drumettes. Got these at Walmart. They're fairly cheap, not that expensive. So what we're going to do, I've already washed them up. I already got them dried off a little bit. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and start just sprinkling some more dry rub on them. Coat them as much as you want. Make sure they're just coated all over. And we're going to get them all seasoned up. Get them ready for the pellet grill. We got it already heating up. So we're going to get these seasoned up, get them ready, and we're going to put them on the grill. Alright, we got them covered pretty well now. We're just using our regular barbecue rub that we normally use. You can use whatever you want. Use seasoning salt. Hey, make them plain, however you want to do them. We just like this as a good base to the wings. Even though we're going to use a hot sauce and or a barbecue sauce, you still would like to have a little dry rub up under them. So let's go ahead and get them on the grill. Okay, we got the grill up about 225 high smoke. So now we're just going to take it, set all our wings here, just on the grill. Just gonna let them smoke for a couple hours. So let's get them all on there and get them to cooking. Alright, we got them on here. As you can see, I had to put the one of my extra racks in here to hold them all, because you want to spread out good enough so they'll cook evenly and the smoke gets to them. So now we're just going to shut it down, let it cook for about maybe 2 hours, and we'll check them. We're cooking them with hickory pellets and about 225. So let's close it up and let's let them cook. And we'll be back. It's been right at 2 hours now, and these things are done. So now we're just going to take them up, take them inside, and get ready to sauce them down. So let's get them all off the grill. We'll take them inside and we'll sauce them up. We got the wings back inside now, so now it's time to sauce them up. We got them, I went ahead and put them in 2 different pans, because we're going to do 1 pan barbecue, 1 pan of hot. So just whichever pan you want to do. What we're going to do is just take barbecue sauce and just squirt it all over it. Just take the tongs and kind of mix them around a little bit. Get them all mixed up. Get the sauce all over. It's going to take more than that on this one. Put whatever kind of barbecue sauce you want on it. And just be sure they're good and covered. In the other pan, we are going to do some Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. Uh-oh, dropped the cap in it. Just pour it all over it. And we're going to do the same thing with these. Make sure they all get covered good. Alright, we're going to get them all covered up. Get them ready to put back on the grill for just a little bit. We'll be back. Back on the grill now. We're going to leave them in the pans, because now all the chicken's done. All we want now is that sauce to set on the wings good. So we're probably going to leave them on here, oh, I don't know, about 20, maybe 30 minutes. Stick in and keep it about 225, and just let it just slow cook and kind of just set that sauce on these wings good, so it'll be real good. The wings have already got the smoke taste to them. I did try one. So now we just let the sauce sit, and we'll be about to check on them. Here right at 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and call these done. As you can see, that sauce is pretty much cooked into the wings now. So let's take them inside and plate them up. Now they got a good smoky flavor to them, along with that barbecue rub we put on them. Then we put that sauce all over them. Then you got the smoke on top of that. Man, these things are gonna be good. So next time you make some wings, be sure to try these out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to hit that like button and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.